Hello students, BA Part 2 Literature students. Today we'll do one more story of paper 2. The Umbrella by Maupassant. आपको शुरू में मैं बेसिक आइडिया इस स्टोरी का बताऊंगी और इसका टेक्स्ट हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे। पर उसके पहले आपको एक बेसिक आइडिया द अम्ब्रेला का आज के लेक्चर में आपको मैं समझा रही हूँ। फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द ऑथर, आफ्टर दैट मेन कैरेक्टर एंड थीम ऑफ द स्टोरी, एंड आफ्टर दैट summary, and then main quotes, main lines. Maupassant is a French story writer. First question. French, he is from France. Maupassant had a short career as a story writer and novelist. His first story was printed in 1830. In the next 11 years, he published some 300 stories and 6 novels. But mental disorders had progressively undermined his health and he died after 2 years insanity. मेंटल डिसऑर्डर की वजह से उनकी डेथ हो गई। इनकी स्टोरी, इसका कोई खास आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस, बहुत वन लाइन क्वेश्चन नहीं है इसमें। मेन कैरेक्टर एंड थीम ऑफ द स्टोरी, द अम्ब्रेला, 1850 to 1893, that is 19th century. The chief characters in the story are Madame Aurel and her husband, Mr. Aurel. Madame Aurel loves money. She is a miser. She does not want to spend money on anything. Spending money on anything is very painful to her. She is afraid of any future economic difficulty, so she wants to save as much as possible. मैडम ओरियल के लिए बताया है कि वो माइजर टाइप की लेडी हैं, कंजूस किस्म की हैं, भविष्य को सोच के डरती हैं कि भविष्य में पैसे की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी और इसलिए वो क्या करती हैं, पैसे को बचाती हैं, छोटी छोटी चीज़ में वो देखती हैं। मिस्टर ओरियल इज़ अ हेड क्लर्क इन अ गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस. He gives all his salary to his wife. His wife does not easily give him even his pocket money. Means फाइनेंशियल जो पार है वो उनकी वाइफ के हाथ में है, सारी सैलरी उनको दी जाती है और वो बहुत कम पैसा अपने हस्बैंड को खर्च करने के लिए देती हैं. Another character who plays some role in this story is the manager of La Maternelle, फायर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. फायर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का बहुत मेजर रोल है इसके अंदर, ये ध्यान से आप सुनिएगा. ही इज़ अ जेंटल पर्सन. ही इज़ अ बिजी मैन. He finds it difficult to get rid of Mrs. O'Reilly, who comes to him to give compensation for her umbrella, which she had was damaged by fire. The manager finds it difficult to get rid of Madame O'Reilly. Ultimately, he agrees to reimburse the money spent on putting on a new silken cover on the umbrella. एक अम्ब्रेला वो खरीदते हैं, उसमें छोटा सा छेद हो जाता है और छेद अपन कहते हैं जब कपड़े के ऊपर जल की कोई तीली या कोई गिरती है तो जो छेद होता है उस तरह का थी. The aim of the story is to draw the character of a miserly lady, Madame O'Reilly. The story has gentle humor and irony also. It is a typical story of Maupassant. His stories in the main deal with middle class values and conventions. Maupassant's influence on the development of the short story is very extensive and important. Now, this is just in few lines, basic idea. It is not summary, it is basic idea. In summary, you get detail chapter wise detail कि आपका जो जो पार्टीशंस हुए हुए हैं वो आपका जो क्वेश्चन निकल के आता है इसमें उसके आधार पे इसकी समरी भी है. ओरेल और उनके हस्बैंड के बारे में है. Maupassant's story entitled The Umbrella is the story of a miserly lady. The lady's name is Madame Orel. Her husband, Mr. Orel, is a head clerk at a government office. He is a gentle person. His wife, Madame Orel, controls all the finances of the family. Her husband, though not timid, is gentle. His wife is not only miserly but also an angry lady. It is with great difficulty that Mr. Orel gets even his pocket money. दो माइनस पॉइंट्स हैं, उसमें से एक आप नहीं भी माने तो दूसरा तो है कि वो शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड लेडी है. Mr. Orel had been using the same umbrella for the last 2 years. It was quite old and had many patches. In his office, he was laughed at by all his another clerks. फटाफट अम्ब्रेला लेके जाते थे ये लोग, हंसते थे कि अम्ब्रेले में छेद है और आप कैसे अम्ब्रेला को लेके आते हो. Madame Orel bought a new cheap umbrella for him. It was being sold by the company for advertisement. Mr. Orel went to office with his new umbrella. His brother clerks means जो और जो colleagues हैं उनकी बात हो रही है. His brother clerks laughed at this. It did not last long. Within 3 months, it was worn out. Mr. Orel, in a fit of exasperation, ordered his wife to spend 20 francs on a new umbrella of the finest silk and produce the bill in evidence. His wife bought a good umbrella for 18 francs and gave it to her husband. She warned him that the umbrella should last for at least 5 years. Mr. Orel took the new fine umbrella to his office. When he returned, his wife asked him to show her the umbrella. She was stunned to find that there was a round hole in the middle of the umbrella. Evidently, it had been burnt by a cigar, and she showed it to her husband. She expressed her anger. एक छेद देखा, सिगार से जला हुआ ऐसा लगा, तो उन्होंने अपने हस्बैंड को कहा कि छेद कैसे हुआ. Then she mended it with a piece of silk from the old umbrella. She told her husband to take great care of the umbrella. The next day she saw many such holes in the umbrella. Her anger knew no bounds. She threw it at her husband's face and told him that he would now never get an umbrella. He would have to go office without an umbrella. A guest who had come at the time said that if he went without an umbrella, he would spoil his clothes, which would be more costly. हस्बैंड समझाते हैं कि मुझे अम्ब्रेला दे दो, नया खरीदने दो. ओल्ड वन से बारिश के मौसम में कपड़े खराब हो जाएंगे और कपड़ों को जो ठीक कराना होगा, प्रेस कराना, धुलवाना, जो भी है उसका एक्सपेंडिचर कहीं ज़्यादा होगा. The husband protested and said that he would not go to office with a servant's umbrella. He would send in his resignation and sit at home for good. She refused to have the silk umbrella recovered, for she would have to spend at least 8 francs. The guest suggests that they should claim for compensation. एक कोई गेस्ट आते हैं, वो उनको वाइफ को सजेस्ट करते हैं कि आप ऐसा करिए, इसका कंपनसेशन लीजिए. ये अम्ब्रेला एड एक कंपनी ने किया था, उसके थ्रू ये बेचा गया था। तो इसके लिए हो सकता है कुछ उनको पैसा नहीं मिल रहा हो, पर वो ये कहते हैं कि आप कंपनसेशन लीजिए। The guest suggested that they should claim for compensation from their fire insurance company. Mr. O'Reilly said that he would never go to insurance company for a petty claim. Petty means वो किसी छोटी सी चीज़ के लिए क्या क्लेम लेना, तो मैं इंश्योरेंस कंपनी पे नहीं जाऊँगा। Mrs. O'Reilly, however, thought over the proposal seriously. Next day, she herself went to La Matanale Fire Insurance Company. You can get a question of 1 mark that named the fire insurance company mentioned in the story, the umbrella. Then you have to write the name of this company. The manager was surprised to hear her claiming for the damaged umbrella. He told her that the company did not entertain such petty claims कि इन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए कंपनी कोई क्लेम नहीं देती है। The manager felt that he would never get rid of the lady, पर वो लेडी मानी नहीं। She kept on sitting, she started shouting, she started discussing his whole day. He gave her a note for the cashier telling him to refund to her the cost of repairs. मैडम ओरेल वॉज हैप्पी, वो बड़ी खुश होती है कि देखो मेरी जीत हो गई, मैंने बहस करी, मैंने इस छोटी सी चीज़ के लिए बहस करी तो उससे मेरी जीत हुई। She felt victorious. She went to a big shop selling umbrella and said to the man there, I wish to have this umbrella recovered with the finest silk. Use the best material you have. I don't mind what it cost. वो कहती हैं अच्छा से इस पर सिल्क लगाइए, कितने का भी पड़े, आई एम नॉट बॉदर्ड फॉर इट। दिस इज़ द शॉर्ट समरी ऑफ द स्टोरी। इसको सुनिए केवल आज कुछ मत पढ़िए। शाम को मैं इसका टेक्स्ट आपको व्हाट्सएप करूँगी अपने ग्रुप में। केवल स्टोरी सुनिए 1 2 3 बार और उसके बाद टेक्स्ट को पढ़ने की कोशिश करिए। टेक्स्ट से जो मेरा लेक्चर है उसको टैली करिए। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टुमारो विल स्टार्ट द टेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस द अम्ब्रेला, और उसके छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स लेके उनका एक्सप्लेनेशन, ताकि आपका रेफरेंस टू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट जो है वो भी इसमें कवर। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू, टेक केयर।